Next up from the Mad Catz box of goodies is the R.A.T. Plus Advanced, and it wants to go fast. Good afternoon, welcome back to Turbo Tortoise Tech. My name is Wookie Triple XL, and today I have a very familiar but plus advanced plus some extras sort of product. It's the R.A.T. Plus Advanced. Now I've already reviewed the R.A.T. Plus, and my TLDR on that was heavy but very good build quality, and if you're a R.A.T. fan, then these are definitely products that you will enjoy. This has got all the customization that you could possibly imagine, plus some extras, and then it's quite some performance upgrades, to be honest. 20,000 DPI on this mouse and a 2000 Hz polling rate, which was actually quite a welcome update. I must say, 1000 Hz to 2000 Hz, there's actually some noticeable differences in movement. But in this package, we do have a couple of customizable pieces. I've actually done some customization on the mouse already and then put it back in a box just to show you how nice the packaging on this actually is. I quite like things that come nicely packaged. It's part of the experience of owning a product like this. These mice are what, 5,500 and 1,600 rand. So it's really nice when it does come really nicely packaged in this, and I really like these little pull tabs that they've got on the top. Anyway, so there's normally plastic around the side, but obviously I had to open it up and use it. So when you open it up, mouse comes out like that, then this piece falls out of here, and then this plate is actually holding the mouse on. So you have to pull this little tab back, and then it frees the mouse then from the structure. So in this package you have the mouse, which I've actually got a little bit dirty over here. Really nice. I'll put the rubberized pieces on because it just makes it nicer to grip, and especially for your lift off, having the rubberized on the outside is actually quite nice, I must say. But going further into the package itself, we then have the accessories pouch over here, which has 4 then attachable pieces. You can change your inside thumb or the outside piece, which I did change from this original piece to the rubberized one. Then we have the back pieces. This is the normal one over here, and I've got the rubberized one on once again. And then there is a secondary one, which is a little bit different in shape and feel. So nice little add-ons for everything, and then some of them, like this piece here, is super easy to remove. You can then just slap on another piece on the back, which is a different height, different feel. This is obviously the smooth plastic feel. The rubber, I have to say, these rubberized pieces are super nice feeling on the mouse. That does give it quite a nice set back in the palm setup. So you got all of that, and then they give you some literature. And the literature is pretty much comprised of the warranty information, how to change the mouse, and then some Mad Catz stickers, so you can put those on your car or on your box. I know you actually like to get down. And then we have, like I say, the literature explaining how to use it, different tool options and stuff for this guy, different weight options, etc. So all of that's sort of normal with the R.A.T. Plus. The advanced comes in with the sensor and the polling rate technology that they've put in it. Sorry, I have to tidy up, OCD. So the difference comes in how this one functions with its sensor and its polling rate. There are 4 profiles as per normal, 11 programmable buttons across the mouse. There's a sniper button on the inside, etc. But where this thing was different and where it sort of shone was when I was doing some FPS gaming. I was playing some CS, and I found that the tracking rate of left to right was so much better than actually even the mouse that I'm using. If this was lighter, I would probably upgrade to it. It is still a full aluminium monocoque type chassis, like a race car-esque sort of setup. I mean, the build quality is absolutely fantastic. And then your tool for adjustment is sitting right in the back of the mouse. So you can go then and adjust the palm positioning. For instance, we loosen up this guy over here, then I can move the thumbprint or thumb area as I would like, back and forward, and then you can move it back and forward over here as well. So you could set it further back or along or forward of the mouse over there with the underpinning thread that's sitting over there. And the customization levels of these products is really, really incredible. And the fact that everything's basically on this tool. The only one you need that's a bit different is the T-style for the side piece. To be able to change that, you do need a different type of screwdriver, but like I say, everything else is managed from there. And then your weight system is on this other secondary screw over here at the back, and I've just sent the screw cap flying across the room. But to make the point, if you take this out, these weights out, then it starts to actually become quite light. Even though it's aluminium, I would say this is probably about 150 grams, which is obviously quite a lot heavier than, it's nearly double, actually it's more than double of what I'm normally using with you know, my super light mouse being like 68 grams or something to that effect. But this thing's sensor, if you're not worried about the weight, the sensor technology with the 2000 Hz probing rate is really good. I mean, it's just a little demo of me getting some flicks and trying to set up for some flicks. Actually, something that was quite interesting was I didn't actually scale the mouse's DPI. I left it on 800 and then scaled my games accordingly with that. So it was exactly half on 800 DPI. I put the game stuff exactly on half and it felt like I was quite at home. And I actually played CS with double my normal sense, as it were, with this on 800 and my normal in-game sense, and I was still hitting shots pretty reliably. As long as they were in the sort of Draken window, the 30-degree window in front of me, then I was fine. Turning around and stuff was a little bit more difficult because you're used to going so far, and when you do that, then you 360 effectively. But it did track exactly one for one, and all the added little parts and customization and stuff. If this is what you're into, if you're liking your R.A.T, the advanced sensor is no joke. You know, a lot of the time when brands bring out upgrade versions of these things, they're like, oh, the sensor, blah, blah, blah. This is really good, especially for side to side and rotational tracking. It's one of the best that I've ever used, to be very honest. Anyway, that's the R.A.T in advanced in a nutshell. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit us up with a like and subscribe. We really appreciate all your support. And until next time, I will see you on the flip side.